Okay, so to cut your shirt apart, this is something that needs to be exact, and the more exact you are, the more you'll replicate the t-shirt exactly. So you're going to definitely want to cut on all the seams exactly, so you have the side seams. This one doesn't have sleeves. Maybe yours does, so you would have to take that into account. And then the shoulder seam. And then you want to cut the neckband off, and you want to cut it exactly where it meets exactly that seam. You know, just cut exactly along that line. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it. Once you cut it, then that's it. It's over. You're going to have to turn it into a new shirt. So here we go. You ready? And I'm going to cut exactly on those seams. So that's that. Now you have the side seam. I kind of hold it out flat, and I cut exact. All the way down. Keep moving it. Now, this is my paper cutting scissors. I have two scissors, one for fabric and one for paper. Don't mix the two of them, or once you cut paper, you won't be able to cut fabric. This is thin fabric, so it's working, but you definitely want to keep your scissors separate. And then I'm going to cut the other side. Cutting all seams.